To get to the machine settings page, you can either click on the combine silhouette on the top left corner, or you can access through the combine main menu, clicking on the combine icon on the top right corner of your terminal. From this page, you can adjust the settings by clicking on the specific box, directly through the touch screen, or using the keypad, or pushing the buttons in the armrest. Here the only settings you can adjust are rotor speed, concave clearance, fan speed, top and bottom sieve position. Ideal will always try to reach the set point, and if not possible, an alarm will appear. From this menu, you can access the crop settings page where you can modify the crop settings. Clicking on the crop settings icon on the right side of the screen will get you to the menu. You will learn how to change the crop settings in the next tutorial.